Hi everyone, it's Makey here. We have some new information about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it looks like it's going to be a big change from what we're used to. In recent years, Samsung's Ultra phones have had a more rectangular and boxy design. The S24 Ultra, for example, has sharp edges and flat surfaces that give it a sleek and professional look. But now, it seems like Samsung is planning to change things up. According to Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will have a much rounder design. How round? He says it will have corners as rounded as the Galaxy Note 7 from 2016. This means we can expect symmetrical bezels and a softer overall look. But don't worry about a curved display. The S25 Ultra's screen is still expected to be flat. And for those who love the S Pen, Samsung is keeping the stylus. The S25 Ultra will still have a slot for the S Pen and support it fully. Now, design is a matter of personal taste. Some people might love the new rounder look, while others might not. Personally, I like the boxy design of the S24 Ultra, so I'm not too excited about the rounder look. But I get why Samsung is doing it. Some users have found the S24 Ultra's sharp edges uncomfortable to hold, and this change could make it more comfortable. What do you think? Do you like the idea of a rounder S25 Ultra, or are you on Team Boxy? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. We also have some more interesting updates about the S25 Ultra. But first, here's a reminder. Samsung is giving away $50 in credit just for reserving the next Galaxy. Plus, one lucky person will win $5,000. It's free to enter, just provide your name and email. You'll get $50 off later and potential savings of up to $1,500 with trade-ins during the pre-order window. It's a win-win, no strings attached. Check out the link in the description below to secure your spot. Moving on, Ice Universe says the S25 Ultra will be the thinnest S Ultra phone ever, at 8.4 millimeters thick. That's 0.2 millimeters slimmer than the S24 Ultra. However, the thinnest Ultra phone is still the Note 20 Ultra at 8.1 millimeters. Interestingly, despite being slimmer, the S25 Ultra won't compromise on its camera modules. This likely means the camera modules will stick out a bit more than the current phone. Next, recent rumors suggested that Samsung might drop its Exynos chip for the S25 lineup and use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 everywhere due to production issues with the Exynos 2500. While this seems likely, there's a new rumor that a MediaTek chip might be used for the S25 and S25 Plus in some regions, but the S25 Ultra will still use the Snapdragon. This rumor comes from a less established source in South Korea, so take it with caution. It suggests Samsung might consider using MediaTek chips due to the rising cost of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which is rumored to be 30% more expensive than the previous model. Using MediaTek could help Samsung keep the prices of the standard and Plus variants down. The idea of a MediaTek chip in some S25 models isn't entirely out of the question, as Samsung has used a similar strategy with the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup. In some regions, the Tab S10 and S10 Plus will use a MediaTek chip, while the S10 Ultra will stick with Snapdragon. But remember, this rumor isn't from a very reliable source, so be skeptical.